Welcome everybody to Side Turkey, a place where ancient history meets the sparkling Mediterranean. We're talking sun-drenched beaches, ancient ruins whispering tales of long ago, and the kind of warm hospitality that makes you feel like family. Over the next few minutes, let's wander together through the heart of Side, uncovering the treasures that await you on your next summer getaway. Picture this, the sun setting over the Mediterranean, casting a warm glow on the ruins of the Temple of Apollo. The sky is painted in hues of orange and pink, creating a breathtaking backdrop for these ancient stones. You can almost hear the echoes of ancient rituals, the chants of priests, and the whispers of the wind through the columns. Feel the presence of history beneath your feet, as if each step takes you further back in time. This isn't just a pile of old stones, folks, it's a portal to another time. A time when gods and mortals walked the earth together. Wander among the columns, imagine the temple in its prime, a beacon of worship dedicated to Apollo, the god of light and music. Picture the grand ceremonies and the vibrant life that once filled this sacred space. This is a photographer's dream, by the way. The interplay of light and shadow creates endless opportunities for stunning shots. Every angle offers a stunning composition, especially as the sun dips low on the horizon, casting long shadows and a golden hue over the ruins. And don't forget to bring your sweetheart. This place is perfect for a romantic stroll. There's a legend that if you and your loved one touch hands beneath the last remaining arch of the temple as the sun sets, your love will last forever. It's a magical moment you won't want to miss. Romantic, absolutely. The ambience here is simply enchanting. But the Temple of Apollo isn't just about romance, it's about connecting with the past, letting the spirit of ancient civilizations wash over you. It's a place where history comes alive. So breathe it in, folks, and let the magic of Side work its wonders. Let the ancient whispers guide you through this timeless journey. Ready for a change of pace? Let's escape the bustle of the beaches and head inland to the Manovgat Waterfall. This isn't your typical thundering cascade, but a wide, gentle cascade that feels like something out of a storybook. Imagine the sound of rushing water, the cool mist on your face, and the lush greenery all around. It's an oasis of tranquility, a perfect place to escape the Turkish sun and reconnect with nature. Take a leisurely stroll along the riverbank, find a shady spot for a picnic lunch, or simply close your eyes and let the soothing sounds of the waterfall wash over you. Remember, folks, travel is about more than just ticking off sites. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture. All right, history buffs, this one's for you. Get ready to embark on a journey through the ages. The Side Museum may be small, but it's packed with fascinating artifacts that bring the story of Side to life. Each exhibit tells a unique tale of the past, offering a glimpse into the lives of those who walked these lands centuries ago. Housed in a beautifully restored Roman bathhouse, the museum takes you on a journey through time from the Hellenistic period to the Roman and Byzantine eras. The architecture itself is a marvel, seamlessly blending the old with the new. You'll see intricate mosaics, marble statues, ancient coins, pottery, and so much more. Each piece is a testament to the artistic and cultural achievements of ancient civilizations. Imagine running your fingers over an ancient Roman coin, picturing it changing hands in the bustling marketplace centuries ago. It's like holding a piece of history in your hand. And don't miss the star of the show, the impressive collection of statues found at the Temple of Apollo. These statues are not just relics, they are storytellers, each with its own narrative. The Side Museum is a must-visit for anyone who wants to delve deeper into the rich history of this fascinating region. It's an educational experience that leaves you with a deeper appreciation for the past. It's a reminder that Side isn't just a pretty face. It's a place with stories to tell, secrets to uncover, and a past that's just waiting to be explored. So take your time, soak in the history, and let the stories of Side captivate your imagination. Let's be honest, folks. A trip to Side wouldn't be complete without some quality beach time. And trust me, Side's beaches won't disappoint. Imagine soft golden sands stretching as far as the eye can see, the crystal clear waters of the Mediterranean lapping at your toes, and the warm Turkish sun kissing your skin. This is what vacation dreams are made of. Whether you're looking to soak up the sun, take a refreshing dip in the sea, or simply relax with a good book, Side's beaches have something for everyone. Feeling adventurous? Rent a jet ski or try your hand at windsurfing. Prefer something more laid back? Take a leisurely stroll along the shore, collecting seashells and soaking up the scenery. And when hunger strikes, you'll find plenty of beachfront restaurants serving up fresh seafood and Turkish delicacies. Now let's step away from the beach and venture into the heart of Side's Old Town. Here, time seems to slow down as you wander through a labyrinth of narrow cobblestone streets lined with charming shops, traditional houses and historical landmarks. Imagine the scent of spices wafting from local shops, the sound of traditional Turkish music drifting through the air, and the vibrant colors of textiles and ceramics on display. Get lost in the maze of streets, stumble upon hidden courtyards, and haggle for souvenirs in the local bazaars. And for a truly authentic experience, stop by a local tea garden. Sip on a cup of strong Turkish tea, indulge in a sweet treat, and watch the world go by. Ready for a different perspective on Side? This charming coastal town has so much more to offer than just its historic ruins and bustling markets. Hop aboard a boat trip and experience the beauty of the Turkish Riviera from the water. It's a unique way to see the coastline and enjoy the serene atmosphere. As you cruise along the coastline, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the ancient ruins, pristine beaches, and crystal clear waters. The contrast between the historical landmarks and the natural beauty is truly mesmerizing. Imagine the wind in your hair, the sun on your face, and the sparkling Mediterranean stretching out before you. It's a feeling of freedom and adventure that you won't find anywhere else. Keep your eyes peeled for dolphins playing in the waves and sea turtles swimming alongside the boat. These delightful creatures add a touch of magic to your journey, and don't forget your swimsuit. Most boat trips offer stops for swimming and snorkeling in secluded coves. Dive into the crystal clear waters and explore the vibrant marine life beneath the surface. Whether you opt for a romantic sunset cruise, a lively party boat, or a relaxing day trip, a boat trip from Side is an experience you won't soon forget. Each option offers its own unique charm and excitement. It's a chance to connect with the sea, soak up the beauty of the Turkish Riviera, and create memories that will last a lifetime. So set sail and let the adventure begin. As the sun sets and the stars begin to twinkle, Side transforms into a vibrant hub of nightlife. Whether you're looking for a laid-back evening, sipping cocktails by the sea, or a night of dancing till dawn, Side has something to offer every night owl. Imagine the sound of waves crashing against the shore, the cool night air on your skin, and the pulsating beat of music beckoning you to join the party. Head to the harbour for a wide selection of bars and clubs, each with its own unique vibe. For a more traditional Turkish experience, seek out a Nugal bar where you can relax on comfy cushions, enjoy a flavorful water pipe, and soak up the lively atmosphere. No trip to Turkey is complete without experiencing the magic of a traditional Turkish bath or hammam. It's more than just a bath, folks. It's a ritual, a journey for both body and soul. Imagine stepping into a steamy haven, the air thick with the scent of essential oils. You'll be lathered with soapy suds, scrubbed within an inch of your life by a burly attendant, and then massaged until you're practically melting into the marble floor. It might seem a bit rough at first, but trust me, you'll emerge feeling like a brand new person. Your skin baby smooth and your mind at peace. After your bath, take your time relaxing in the cooling room, sipping on a glass of Turkish tea or a refreshing ayran, a traditional yogurt drink. You'll leave feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to take on the world. Get ready to step back in time at the Aspendos Theatre, one of the best preserved Roman theatres in the world. Built in the 2nd century AD, this architectural marvel is still used today for concerts, operas, and festivals. Imagine sitting on those ancient stone seats, the same ones where audiences were entertained centuries ago. You can almost hear the roar of the crowd, the gladiators battling it out in the arena, the actors captivating their audience with tales of gods and heroes. Even if you don't catch a performance, it's worth visiting just to admire the sheer scale and grandeur of the theatre. The acoustics are incredible, and the setting, nestled amidst rolling hills, is simply breathtaking. It's a powerful reminder of the enduring legacy of the Roman Empire. As the day winds down, there's no better place to be than Side Harbour. This bustling hub is the heart and soul of the city, a place where fishermen unload their catch of the day, colourful boats bob gently in the water, and the aroma of freshly grilled seafood fills the air. Imagine finding a table at a waterfront restaurant, the sun setting over the Mediterranean, casting a warm glow on the ancient harbour. You dig into a plate piled high with fresh-caught fish, grilled to perfection and seasoned with local herbs and spices. Stroll along the harbour, browse the shops selling souvenirs and local crafts, or simply relax at a cafe, sipping on Turkish coffee and watching the world go by. And don't forget to try the local specialty, gozleme, a thin, savoury pastry filled with various ingredients like cheese, spinach, or minced meat. So there you have it, folks. The highlights of Side Turkey, your ultimate 2025 summer escape. From ancient ruins to stunning beaches, from vibrant nightlife to delicious cuisine, Side has something to offer every traveler. I hope this little taste of Side has inspired you to pack your bags and experience the magic of this incredible destination for yourself. And remember, travel is about more than just seeing the sights. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture, connecting with the people, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. So get out there, explore, and discover the world, one adventure at a time. Thanks for joining us on this tour of Side's top attractions. See you inside.